Hey guys, today I'm going to make some turkey soup in the Instant Pot. So let's apply the pressure. I have some turkey thighs here, some carrots, celery, onion, potatoes, and I'm going to season that with some salt and Johnny's seasoned pepper. And I also have some turkey better than bouillon if it needs more flavor. So let me cut everything up and we'll get it into the pot. Alright, everything's cut up. Let's get it into the pot. 1 pound of baby carrots. I'm just putting those in whole just like that. This is 4 or 5 russet potatoes with the peelings on, and about 4 stalks of celery and that onion. So get that in there, and I didn't put any water in there yet because I wasn't sure how much to put in there, and I didn't want to overfill the pot. Now my turkey thighs, I pulled the skin off of them and just season them with a little salt and Johnny's seasoned pepper. So I'm going to put those right on top. And now I will go ahead and add the water. There's about, this is a quart of water, so I didn't want to overfill the pot. So like I said, I didn't put the water in the beginning. Okay, you know what? I'm just going to go with a quart for now. I could always add more when it's done if it needs more liquid. One other thing I did was took a knife and cut across the meat just so it'll be easier to shred apart when it's done. It'll probably need more seasoning, but I'll do that at the end. So let's get the lid on there. Now I'm going to set this to pressure cook for 20 minutes. I'm letting the pressure release on its own, and I just heard the pin drop, so let's take a look at it. Well, that meat is nice and tender. I'm going to get that off of the bone and get the bones out and give it a taste and see if it needs more seasoning. The flavor is good just like that. All I had to add was a little bit of salt. But I had this bag of frozen mixed vegetables. I'm going to dump those in there now as well. I don't think those would have held up too good under the pressure cook setting, but I turned the pot to saute, and I'm just going to let those simmer a little bit until those veggies are tender. One more idea I just had. I have a can of biscuits here, so I'm going to try putting those in there on top. Maybe I'll try cutting them into smaller pieces. I'll cut them in half like that. I'm going to put the lid on there for a few minutes to let them cook a little better. Let's see how these are doing. It's been a couple minutes here. Uh-oh, what's happening here? I had to turn it off. It started building up pressure and I can't get the lid off. There we go. Those look pretty good. I think this worked out pretty good. Let's grab a bowl and try this out. The dumplings look good. This looks pretty good. Let's see how it turned out here. Alright. Those dumplings. Looks like they cooked pretty good. Almost like pot pie here. That is good. That's really good. Putting those biscuits in there at the end worked out great. So I'll write all the ingredients in the description for you guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you guys next time.